or for that matter, and by any other international airlines, may not have much impact on the tourism industry of South Goa. The attraction of the tourists to any region does not depend only on the parameters to being the vicinity of the airport. The overall development of the tourism infrastructure in the region determines its touristic potential. Since the entire Goa state is likely to become international tourist hub, there is a tremendous potential for the growth of tourists in the entire state, including the utility of both the airport in Goa, as there will always be a limit of expansion of even a Manohar International Airport. Hence, the significance of the Dabolim Airport cannot be undermined, and it shall always be very needful facility for the development of tourism in the Goa. Although the airport at Dabolim has a certain limitations, its significance for boosting the overall economic development of the state cannot be undermined as indicated below. Notice to Air Mission at Goa International Airport Dabolim restrict the total time available for operation, that is 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. IST and 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. IST. Capacity of Dabolim Airport is already saturated. Current airlines operation out of Goa International Airport to be the important commercial market opportunities to increase spending per head ratio, especially for departure passenger, thereby improving the airport financial performance while satisfying an existing demand for the goods and services. The government is committed to ensure the community viability and sustainability of the Dabolim Airport along with that of the Manohar International Airport.